Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the weekend of Vlogity Vlog. If you are new around to my channel, then basically this is where I do a vlog every weekend from Saturday to Sunday, all into one video for you guys. As I did want to start vlogging, but I didn't want to vlog every day, so pretty much it. Make sure if you guys do enjoy this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's get started with the vlog. I got Caitlin this wireless charger, guys. I'm just seeing if it actually works. Hold on. Yay, it's working! Awesome, high five. So me and Mark, my brother, my twin brother, going down to game now. We want to look around to see if there's any decent games that we can buy cheap, or some headsets and stuff like that. And Caitlin is about to have a shower. We got a good day ahead of us, haven't we, babe? Considering you're supposed to be at work. Ah, it is dark. Hold on, I found us a solution. Hold on, give me time. That's better, guys, isn't it? You can see my pretty face now. Yeah, anyway, so me and my brother have just been to town. Got a few little bits. I got a present for my brother Matt. I hope he does enjoy his presents. Yeah, I'm pretty happy because I got Caitlin a wireless charger and it works just fine. I'll put the link down for that charger down below in the description if you guys want to grab yourself one. But yeah, I'm just on the computer now. Need to send a guy who I've been talking to on Instagram. He's a fellow YouTuber like me, a small one, and I've made him a custom YouTube banner for his channel because I offered it to him. Again, I want to start going into like graphic design and stuff like that, so I offered him to make him one, update his channel a little bit, just in favour of me being able to use it for my examples for when I start selling. So I'm just going to show you it, guys, actually, because it's pretty sick. That's his, guys. It's Joshua. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but I'm pretty proud of that. That's his website, smashthadash.com. Go check his channel out. So yeah, I'm just emailing that across to him now, as I promised I would. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. Anyway, guys, the rest of our day, pretty much, we're going to get some Chinese at this all-you-can-eat Chinese place. £9 a head. Nicest place I've been to, okay? Nicest place ever. So yeah, that's what we're going to do, and then as every Saturday we're going to do a little bit of a ghost hunt tonight, and then I'm going to come home and play some COD, probably until late, because that's what I want to do. So that's my plans for today. You ready for Chinese? You ready for food?
You zoomed up then, didn't you?
Yeah. You ready for food?
I'm always ready for food.
Yeah, that's what I like to hear, baby. That's what I like to hear. Okay. Okay, that's bright. Right, so guys, we're stop laughing at me! I've been doing this 3 weeks now, and you're still laughing at me. Look how pretty she is. She's so pretty. We're going for Chinese in a minute, guys. All you can eat, £9, yes please. And I think Caitlin's watching EastEnders.
I mean, what do you say? Is it congratulations on a new baby?
No, I really want to come back and play COD.
Supposed to twist the bottle,
But
not the cork. How many sold? The final.
here is young Kitty.
15? They're 40 quid a bottle. Prosecco? It's not Prosecco, it's champagne. Your probation is over. When you finish your shift, you're fired. I know it's a terrible thing what's happened, but your daughter needs you. not talking about having.
Hey babe, you ready to go get Chinese?
Yeah, don't zoom in on my face.
I'm not. Look, this is zoomed out, that's zoomed in. What do you want? Fucking look at this YouTube vlog.
You me.
I really want to do what they've done on film. Run up, jump on the bonnet and run over the roof. Jumping.
Do it then, Caitlin.
No, I won't be able to jump on that. My jeans will wet. Yeah.
Walk into someone random's house.
You have to take off
Done that before.
Is there now?
It's just sort of appearing.
Is it there now?
I saw a face.
Is it there now?
Would you like me to slice
Can you
those
see it?
things? Yeah.
Go up on you.
Hello.
Oh, I'm leaving. Picked the wrong time to come in.
Oh
Right, bye. Did you get anything? We were talking to someone on the board. What's happened?
Mum fired.
We should put a camera at the bottom of the stairs.
Oh yes, you do.
The world's loudest purring cat.
Merlin. Very quick. Famous. Merlin.
Oh, you can ask Harold on the board. Are we allowed to go out with someone?
Look how pretty you are.
No. What about if someone's like stood here?
Bye. Bye guys. Bye. See you later, Mark.
See you later, Jax.
Bye guys.
Have a good cod.
Thanks. Yeah. Right, so guys, I'm now leaving the house as I need to go home and play Call of Duty. That's my main goal now. Yeah, so guys, we were doing a ghost hunt. Everyone's still there. But I'm gonna go home now because I want to play Call of Duty. I just really want to. So that's what I'm gonna do. Go see my brother Mark and Ben at home. So let's go. How are you fucking
Ah.
What?
Huh?
Alright.
Yeah. Do you mind if I play on this for a bit?
How long?
Huh?
So I came home to play.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I
I'll be
did.
able to play it.
Guys, so we are back now. Oh, well, I'm back from ghost hunting now. It is currently 7 minutes past 12, and I'm gonna smash some goddamn Call of Duty. That's what I'm gonna do. That is what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? I love Call of Duty. Dude, how does that shotgun set me on fire? Oh. Dude, earlier when I was playing this, I was doing so good with this gun. Now I'm doing so shit with this gun. Oh my. Ben, how have you got two? Wait, is this Mark playing or you? Mark's playing. Why is he doing so bad? I'm gonna fuck all you guys out with my sniper. I'm quick skipping. Fuck this shit. Guys, I've literally just sat here and sweated COD for ages. I need to go to bed now. I'm just waiting for Kaden to get home, and then I'm gonna play like one more game of COD, then go to bed. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's part of the vlog. I'm gonna head off to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Hello guys, it is actually, technically, the afternoon. Welcome guys to Sunday of the vlog. It is currently 20 past 1. As you can tell, last night I went to bed quite late as I was playing COD quite a bit last night. I'm really so addicted to this goddamn game, which is actually good because it's like the first Call of Duty I've been addicted to since Modern Warfare 2, so it's good. I don't like the whole jetpacks and everything on like Black Ops and all that shit, so World War 2 is good. It brings back a lot of memories to my previous life, you see. Anyway, so I think my plan is, I've literally just got out of bed, got changed, and it's 20 past 1 and I'm gonna jump straight on CODs. Dude, like, I love being addicted to a game, and I haven't been addicted to a game for a very long time, so now's my chance to actually play some proper game. I'll play some multiplayer because I'm trying to catch up with my brother. He's like level 35 and I'm level 34, so I want to overtake him definitely by today. So yeah, I need to play some COD. Other than that, guys, plan for today is it's Sunday, obviously I've just said, and 20 past 1, and there's not really much that we're doing today. I'm probably going to play COD most of the day, do a few bits on the computer and that, but other than that, today's part of the vlog is going to be quite boring, but you are going to see me playing some COD. I did do like an hour and 45-minute live stream yesterday, so please go check that video out. Down below in the description, the link will be for that one. And yeah, I need to play some games. Let's go into Team Deathmatch. Matched players. Hello, ISOS and Jackhammer. Gaming done. Done some cleaning. Vaping now, because I'm a fucking vapor. Just so if any of you are actually wondering, last night I took a video, quite a few videos actually, of a cat that was doing like a really loud purr. Now, that cat is holds the world record for the loudest purring cat in the world. Just so you guys know. There you go. Guys, I am feeling so lazy today. Literally, I'm doing nothing. I've just been over there, pretty much just like shopping because I want a GoPro. Like, I have a GoPro, but it's shit. So I want newer updated because I need to upgrade my camera equipment, which is what I'm going to do in 2018, 1,000,000%. I then also want to upgrade my computer equipment, which is like, I want to go dual screen. So as you can see, I've got my computer screen there, my mic up there, but I don't have that much space, so I'm looking to take my mic down and mount it somewhere else. And then I'm looking to go dual screen, so get rid of that monitor and go to exactly the same monitors across there, dual screen, so I can play my PlayStation, which is there, and have my computer over the other side. So that's also something I want to do, but I feel like I really need a coffee, so I'm going to ring Caitlin. This when she doesn't answer.
Welcome to the EE voicemail. I'm sorry,
See,
but the
why
person
don't
you
girls
called
answer
is
their
not
phone?
available.
I'll try my mum, actually. Just try my mum. Ask her if she can pass that phone to Caitlin. There you go. They have connections everywhere, guys. Connections everywhere.
Welcome to the O2 messaging service.
What?
The person you are calling is
Maybe
unable
not.
to
That
take
failed,
your
didn't
call.
it? Why doesn't anyone ever pick up the phone? Anyway, until someone calls me back, I am going to watch Friends. This is going to keep me sorted for a little while.
I would want world peace, no more hunger, good things for the rainforest, and bigger boobs.
Why are you shouting?
You're not answering your phone.
No, but why are you shouting? I heard loads of banging.
Yeah, why didn't you answer your phone?
Because I was having my tarot cards read and that.
Yeah, I was going to ask you to make me a coffee and bring it up.
What do you think I am? You wouldn't do it for me?
Yes, definitely.
Right, we need beans.
No, how many plates?
No, we need the beans heated up and the tomatoes heated up first.
Oh, the breakfast
We've
is
got
cooking.
10 tomatoes and baked beans. Pull this out of here. I'm going to do my eggs. And then we're done. Well, no, then.
There you go.
That's for beans.
Where's the tin opener?
And that's for tomatoes. Okay.
Why have you zoomed in? Why have you zoomed in? Why have you zoomed in?
It's just so
I know you zoomed in.
Breakfast is ready. Caitlin's got hers. That looks nice, babe. You're gonna munch on that good.
Yeah.
Watching some Only Fools and Horses now, guys. Whilst we eat the breakfast. So we've pretty much just finished sitting downstairs and chilling. That's it, aren't you? Me and Kate are gonna chill for a bit, and then I'm probably just gonna go on my computer for a bit after that. So
Chill.
that's my plan for now.